Okay, my people, our brother has returned back. Marvellous Arinze. Marvellous is back. He's back, sad and healthy. Many of us questions about his absence. Many of us were like, what happened to this our brother? You know who Marvellous is. If you don't know, then this video you are going to get to know him. He's one of the media and official. Oh, let me say just one of the cabinet. Should I say cabinet? I don't know his position though, but he worked with on USB government last year, and all of a sudden he disappeared. People started questioning what happened, but based on the kind of rumor, the controversy and gossip that were going on left and right, you never can tell. It could be that he's decided to, pipe low. Nobody, if everyone just kept quiet and said, okay, it could be one of those things. He spent, time, to be honest. This is not just a thing of 1 month, 2 months, no. He spent time. I've not, he was not posting anything, neither was he active on social media. People just okay, let's bygone become bygone. All of a sudden, few days now, he started posting something again, and I said it on my video that Arinze is back, but I don't know his stand. Nobody know where he stand. Nobody know what's happened, and I just said, okay, I happy to see you. I was monitoring closely, not anticipating negativity or anything, but just want to know what his coming back or his return will bring. Then this afternoon, yesterday though, he made a post. He talked about his absence, that he would have loved to share, some of this, where he has been, but he don't think that it's necessary now and all that. I said, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just follow your mind, whatever. If it's something that you can share, you share it. If not, so be it. All right. So this afternoon, this morning to some of you, I saw a post from him, and he just, nailed it. He just told us what he can, what is his stand and what he's out for. And people, I know many people will be shocked. I mean, those of them that are celebrated his absence and all that, they will be crying by now, and that's why I have no other choice than to talk about it. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. We are here again to do justice to this post. Please bear with us as we go through it once again, because that's what we do here. We are not here to promote any negativity or to attack anybody, but to bring to you the reality on ground. This person you are seeing here is Marvellous Arinze. Okay, that's his account on X, and the post that I just talked about is what you are seeing now on your screen. So the best to do justice to that is to expand it this way, probably this way, and go through it from beginning to the end. And we'll now share our idea or our own observation on that. But before we go in detail, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Share, share, and comment. Very, very important. In a world of blood by a worthless leader, we have forgotten the truth. We have forgotten the true value of visionaries until they are gone. That is why I stand firmly with Simon Ekpa, endorsed by Mas Namodekano himself, and just as our Prime Minister, His Excellency Simon Ekpa, endorsed Dr.Orabueze, I will stand where she stands. The government of the United States of Biafra or nothing. True leadership is the force that break chains. Welcome back, my brother. Welcome back. In case if you don't understand what she's talking about, in the world of played by worthless leaders, we have forgotten the true value of visionaries until they are gone. That is why I stand firmly with Samuel Ekpa, endorsed by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself, and just as our Prime Minister, His Excellency Samuel Ekpa, he's saying this at the time that Oge chose to make himself a Prime Minister. What a coincidence. He's back at the time Oge decided to move to the next level. What a coincidence. These guys, together with Maza, the so-called current BCC or whatever, BGTTT, drag this our brother like never before. They called him names. Oh, you are a special force man. How many of you remember this? I know some of you, nobody have forgotten. But I know you are now reconnecting. There was a time they could drag him. Oh, that he's working with Nigerian Army, that he's a special force of Hassan Dokubo. Oh, he's a special force. They dragged him. Even while he started claim that this guy that he's spying people. Oh, even you, I thought you were a small boy. So you have worked with special force. This is how criminals roll. Dan, what do you have to like? Where will you keep your face now? That when you guys was attacking him for supporting USB government, you guys claim that you are in the one indivisible group called of Fallback Republic of Ndukudo. Today, you guys have disintegrated and scattered, are fighting each other, and that like let's say, like it's supposed to be like that. How can you not fight yourself when your foundation is faulty and you started with lies and deception and deceit? You deceive people, you pretend to be what you are not. Of course, you end up exposing yourself. So, like as I was saying, he said, and just as our Prime Minister, His Excellency Samuel Ekpa, endorsed Dr. Orabueze, I will stand where she stands. The government of the United States of Biafra or nothing. Because it is not clear. Tell me who you go with, then I will tell you who you are. This our brother. I'm like honestly, I was not even expecting him to say anything or the different. But I will not lie, when he disappeared, I was thinking that someone deceived him that you're supposed to do what, because it was all about what. He's supposed to do what. So why is not doing what? Oh, Ngozi is running away with money. Oh, she's a flat woman and all that. When the woman, Dr. Orabueze, have told you that she have not crossed Abuja, like when they say that she's a flat woman, this and that, liars, lying, in the blood daylight, they are lying, and they're not hiding their faces. Because these are acute liars, people who cannot do without lies. They live and wake up and sleep, with lies. They don't care whether you're going to expose them. They don't have any respect or any regard for themselves. No, nothing. You say you want to talk about the image. Which image are they protecting? The one they don't scatter. They have scattered that one. Is no longer in existence. So that is it. And you can see when people talk about the idea of falling back and falling front, that is not sustainable. These guys used to criticize him that you end up but that man saying that and all that. Where is he today? He's now with another group that he can't even, he don't even know what to talk about in that group. Can they achieve anything? No. Can they even carry out any reasonable exercise? No, nothing whatsoever. But these are people that used to insult Arinze and saying that he's this, is that. Today, how market? Anyway, I just want to share this with us, and I appreciate Arinze for standing, on the side of the truth. It's good to see you back. It's good to hear from you. Now that we made your stand, heaven no for now, right? Now, let me quickly go to comment and see what people said Am I the one reacting on this? Like he said, on point. Somebody said on point, and another person said, Marvellous Arinze. Sometimes I wonder why people like you are so evil with innocent face. Master American endorse Musamanekpa. Yes, but for Orabueze, the truth is that our PM does not endorse her, or, or does not endorse her. Orabueze endorsed by Fulani Nigerian government. Senseless people. If I understand, because Arinze's followers, basically many of them are those who have issue with the USB government, because they were on a mission to get Arinze to their side before Arinze disappeared, which actually one of the things that made me feel like, and I don't know why he disappeared, that he coming back, anything is possible. But look at it today. It's not what we think. Message for the wise, message for the wise one only. Stand where you stand. Stand where you stand. Stand where you stand. It is a solid rock. Watch it again. Watch you go, David. People, this is a mixed reaction, and people are, paying attention. People are paying attention. I want to know if we can see maybe a famous person reacting on this. But let's see. So Ngozi is still existing. Look at Okoko. You said your reasoning capability are highly perfect. I see you. And they said, keep doing your good job, bro. God bless the rest of Biafra. Okay, Mas Naman never endorse Ndokoko. He said never endorse who? Did he say never endorse? Never endorse. Okay, Mas Naman never endorse anybody but DOS. But DOS, if you like, take it. You see how my people can be. This one is DOS member. He's even denying that Madagascar did not endorse PM. You see, it's all about personal interest, but the truth always stands. So we are not here to massage word for anybody. That's one thing about truth. You don't need to say it so that it will sweet somebody. The moment you begin to feel like that, or begin to know that kind of thing in your mind, you are no longer the truth is no longer guaranteed. Consolidate in you, because you can change at any given time. Dr.Orabueze International Airport, let's say mighty Thunder said on point. Okay, Victoria, I'm sorry, yeah, victory to Biafra said, I dare where you dare, Arinze. So this is something people need to pay close attention, because he has made his choice, and I'm going to end it here. Please tell me what you think about all we have discussed so far, from Arinze returning and he making his stand. What do you think? It will be very nice to hear from you. I want to know your take on that, if you don't mind. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you, and bye-bye for now.